Hello crypto ninjas, welcome to my channel, where we provide a breakdown complex blockchain topics, provide insightful market analysis, and explore the future of decentralized finance. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the new financial system, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a strategy that could change your financial future. Today, we're answering the burning question, can you really make money in cryptocurrency? We're going beyond the hype and into the data, analyzing 7 major players: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Algorand, Hedera, and XDC. We'll look at a 12-month journey from September 2024 to September 2025, see what a $1,000 investment could have become, and then I'll give you my rough forecast for where they could be by September 2026. Let's get into it. From September 2024 to September 2025, Bitcoin wasn't just bullish, it was a beast. The king of crypto surged from $60,000 to approximately $110,000. That's an 83% gain in just 1 year. A $1,000 investment would now be sitting at a cool $1,830. The digital gold thesis is looking stronger than ever. Ethereum's engine is humming. While everyone looks at price, smart money looks at utility. Ethereum proved it. The foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and dApps grew from $3,500 to roughly $4,314 in a year. A solid 23% gain. That means a $1,000 investment into the ecosystem's backbone would now be $1,230. Steady, stable, and building. XRP ignited. Rockets past predictions. The bridge currency just became a powerhouse. XRP didn't just climb, it exploded. Soaring from 69 cents to approximately $2.81 in a year. A mind-melting 307% gain. Your $1,000 investment in the future of payments would now be a massive $4,070. The vision for fast, cheap payments is winning. Cardano's research paid off. Big time. The academic of crypto just aced its market exam. Cardano surged from 45 cents to roughly $1.35. A flawless 200% gain in 1 year. This is what happens when peer-reviewed research meets execution. Your $1,000 investment in a science-driven platform would now be a cool $3,000. Proof that slow and steady wins the race. Silent assassin angle. Algorand woke up the market. While no one was looking, the pure proof-of-stake king went on a run. Algorand blasted from 15 cents to approximately 60 cents. A monstrous 300% gain. This is efficiency and carbon neutrality creating real value. Your $1,000 investment in a greener, faster future would now be a staggering $4,000. The future is efficient. The enterprise powerhouse. Hedera, from enterprise secret to mainstream marvel. The hashgraph leader just had its breakout moment. Hedera surged from $0.065 to roughly 30 cents. A breathtaking 361% gain. This is what happens when enterprise-grade tech gets adopted. Your $1,000 investment in the network built for business would now be a massive $4,610. The future is hashgraph. Niche domination. XDC, the trade finance titan, wakes up. The specialist just became the star. XDC network, built for global trade, exploded from 5 cents to approximately 25 cents. A colossal 400% gain. This is real-world utility creating insane value. Your $1,000 investment in the future of trade finance would now be a whopping $5,000. This is what hyper-specialization looks like. Now, this is the part you've been waiting for. A rough forecast for September 2026. Remember, this is not financial advice, just analysis based on current trends and potential. Bitcoin could challenge its previous highs, aiming for $150,000. Ethereum, with continued ecosystem growth, $12,000 is plausible. XRP, widespread adoption could push it to $3. Cardano, a matured ecosystem, may see it reach $2.50. Algorand, further adoption could see it at $1.20. Hedera, enterprise rollout may drive it to 75 cents. XDC, niche dominance could see it soar to 60 cents. We are witnessing a massive shift of value from the traditional, centralized financial system into the more efficient, transparent, and accessible world of decentralized blockchain technology. This isn't just a trend, it's a technological revolution. As adoption spreads among institutions and individuals, the utility providing networks for payments and smart contracts are gaining importance. Crypto is becoming the new, global economic infrastructure. And that, Crypto Ninjas, is how you can make money in crypto. It's about understanding the technology, believing in the shift, and strategically positioning yourself for the future. Do me a huge favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you get notified the moment we drop our next deep dive. The future of finance is being built right now, and you don't want to be left behind. Let me know in the comments which of these 7 you're most bullish on. Until next time, keep building your digital fortune.